This video is about how to buy your first crypto safely. Most people think buying crypto just means clicking buy on an app and watching the price go up. But that mindset is exactly what gets beginners hacked, scammed, or locked out of their own money. The truth is, buying your first crypto safely isn't about luck or timing. It's about control. Once you understand how to buy it the right way, you'll never worry about losing it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to buy your first crypto, where to buy it, and how to keep it safe once you do. Step 1. Understand what buying crypto really means. When you buy crypto, you don't automatically own it. Not really. You only own it once you control what's called the private keys. Those keys are like the combination to a safe. If someone else has them, they can open it anytime. If you have them, only you can. When your crypto is sitting on an exchange, that means the company holds those keys. That's called custodial ownership. When you move it to your own wallet, that's non-custodial ownership. That's when you truly own it. Step 2. Choose a trusted platform. Every safe crypto journey has 3 stages: on-ramp, custody, and safety. On-ramp is how you turn regular money into crypto. Custody is where it's stored. Safety is how you protect it. Get those 3 steps right, and you're already doing better than most first-time investors. Let's start with your on-ramp. This is the most common place beginners get scammed. You type best crypto exchange into Google, click the top result, and end up on a fake website that looks almost real. It asks for your card info, takes your money, and never sends you any crypto. That happens because people don't know how to check if an exchange is legitimate. So here's what to look for. First, regulation. A trustworthy exchange is licensed and follows financial laws in the regions where it operates. Coinbase, for example, is publicly traded on the NASDAQ under the symbol COIN. It's regulated in both the US and Europe. Kraken is another top-tier platform. It's been around since 2011 and is known for its strong compliance and clean record. Second, transparency. Real exchanges don't hide. You should be able to find their address, their leadership team, and actual customer support. Third, track record. Check if the exchange has a history of hacks or downtime. If it's been hit multiple times or constantly locks users out, don't use it. Binance is another major exchange. It has the biggest liquidity in the world, meaning trades happen fast and close to market price. It's available in most regions, but it's also a big target for fake copies. Always make sure you're using the real site or verified app. Gemini is a US-based exchange registered with the New York State Department of Financial Services. It has insured USD balances and a very clear, beginner-friendly design. Those 4, Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, and Gemini, are some of the safest starting points right now. But here's something most people miss. Even if an exchange is real, scammers create fake apps and websites that look identical. In 2025, these fakes have gotten smarter because of AI. They can copy logos, text, and even fake user reviews. So before you create an account, do a 60-second check. Make sure the website starts with HTTPS and the address exactly matches the official domain. If you're downloading an app, check that the publisher is the real company, not a random developer name that sounds similar. You can even check the domain age using a whois lookup. If the site was created just a few months ago, don't use it. Once you've verified the platform, you're ready to set up your account the right way. Step 3. Set up your account the safe way. You'll be asked to complete a verification process called KYC, or Know Your Customer. This helps keep the exchange safe from fraud and stolen identities. Now, before you upload any documents or connect your bank account, take 1 minute to secure your setup. Use your own computer, not a shared one. Update your operating system and browser. Avoid public Wi-Fi. It's not paranoia, it's prevention. Next, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Always use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. Then, create a strong password. Long, random, and not used anywhere else. Create a new email just for your crypto accounts, and keep it separate from your personal or work emails. Some exchanges, like Kraken and Binance, let you whitelist withdrawal addresses. Turn that on. It means your crypto can only go to addresses you've already approved. Even if someone breaks into your account, they can't move your funds. Step 4. Make a test purchase. Buy somewhere between $25 and $100 to learn how the process works. This small step teaches you more than any tutorial ever will. When you're ready to buy, you'll see two main order types: market and limit. A market order buys instantly at the current price. It's fast and easy, but you might pay slightly more because of quick price movements. A limit order lets you set the price you want to pay, and the system will execute only when the market hits that price. It's slower, but you're in full control. Before you confirm the purchase, check the total cost. Look beyond the listed fee and focus on how much crypto you actually receive. That's your real price after spreads and fees. Bank transfers usually cost less than card payments, so compare options before you buy. For your first crypto, stick with Bitcoin or Ethereum. They're the most stable and the easiest to understand. Once you know how things work, you can explore smaller coins if you want. Step 5. Do this after your first purchase. When your transaction is complete, check your balance. Make sure it matches the amount you bought. Record the order ID, the amount, and the date. Save it offline, not in screenshots or your phone gallery. If your exchange has a withdrawal whitelist feature, activate it right away. Then, write down your two-factor authentication recovery codes on paper and store them somewhere safe. They'll save you if you lose your phone. Save your purchase record for taxes too. It'll make life easier later. Once your total holdings start growing, it's time to think about self-custody. When you move your crypto to a wallet you control, you own the private keys. That's when your coins truly become yours. Most people start doing this once they've got around $500 or more invested. Whichever platform you pick, remember, the safest exchange is the one you secure properly. Which exchange platform have you tried, or are you thinking of trying? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video while you're there.